Hey, hi team. This is Nitesh Babu R. I report into Saurabh Srivastava, who is my zonal head. So I'm a partner account manager sales. Predominantly, I cater to the SME segment of the market. So predominantly, my roles and responsibility in Tata is to drive the entire business, the sales motion through my channel partners, the designated channel partners who I have assigned, and so that's my role in Tata. I come from the school of thought that for a salesperson, your catering to the customers is of utmost importance, right? Because customer is the king. So unless and until you satisfy them from all perspectives, be it sales, post sales, the services bit, the entire sales journey, you know what I mean, right from pre-sales to closing an order, post sales, ensure that the link is getting delivered. I mean, a lot of people talk about customer delight, but at the end of the day, it is the account manager's responsibility or the salesperson who is presenting the customer to ensure that to understand what his needs is and basically act upon the needs of the customer. So that is one of my biggest motivation factor. And yeah, I have two role models in life. One is my dad, who is a former volleyball player, and next is my uncle, my close uncle, who has been in the sales field for close to 40 years. So he was heading sales for a pharma company called Zydus Alidac. So I look up to him and keep sharing ideas and thoughts as to what new should I do to keep my customer base engaged with me and have a long-term relationship. For me, sales is all about maintaining a healthy and fostering a good relationship with the customer. So that is when you have the relationship part of it, I think the sales is a smooth sailing. I have many instances in my short stint in Tata. For example, one of the customers wanted something, like for example a particular solution to be done, and we didn't have the solution at that point in time, but I didn't want to lose out on a huge opportunity which we're talking about, right? So what I did is I coordinated with the entire team. So I was new to Tata, but I took the pain to go the extra mile to connect with the right people from the product team, the pre-sales team, and the solution architect teams to ensure that the solution is delivered to the customer well within time and as promised, right? So these are one of the instances, and many other instances where I I believe a sales guy never have a work timing as such. So I respond to my calls 24 hours 7, even if it's 11:30 in the night. I ensure if a mail from especially a mail from the customer, it's addressed on thing, and ensure that whatever needs to be done is done on time or well beforehand. Clearly, we are the market leaders in this space, and the kind of leverage which Tata gives the employees, especially the sales guys, to go and perform the duties. I don't feel, I come from a Reliance background basically. So I don't feel, the free hand. What I mean by free hand is the leverage to do things your way and ensure that, at the end of the day, the business interest of the organization as well as the customers taken care of. Yeah. So the freedom to do things your way with, of course, with the guidelines of your zonal head. So that is something which I've never experienced in my organizations before. It was a clear mandate as to how you're going to go about your job. So that is something which I truly appreciate with Tata Teleservices. For me, it's all about the product. It's more to do with how you build a relationship with a customer, right? Tata is a big brand in the market and well aware brand in the market. So you talk to anybody regarding Tata, it's not like, oh, Tata, what do they do? Everybody knows about Tata Communications, Tata Teleservices in specific, and they know that we deliver things. And the quality which we maintain throughout, the journey of sales as well as post sales, it's a very well known fact in the market. So, it's good to be associated with Tata Teleservices. Predominantly, I'm a Libran by birth. I've done my MBA with RB Institute of Management Studies. All the way passionate about sales and marketing, especially sales, because the numbers is something which gives me a good high to achieve and to do things the right way, right? At the end of the day, for sales guys, the biggest parameter is the kind of numbers which you're thing, and it's predominantly your target driven, which is kind of the biggest motivational factor for me. So I never get bogged down by numbers or the kind of sales pressure which each and every salesperson has to go through in their entire journey, right? So that is one of my biggest motivation factors, and that's the way I've been, and through my entire short career of 11 years, right? So as I told you before, I have a mix of experience, especially in the enterprise domain, selling telco. I started my journey, my career with Reliance Communications, as I told you before. So I know the entire product range as to what you're going to sell in the market, and then a bit of IT hardware sales is what I've done.